Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious peanut butter ice cream at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of creamy peanut butter, 2 cups of heavy cream, and 1 cup of whole milk. Also, prepare 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a tiny pinch of salt. These components will create a rich, flavorful base. Next, we'll craft our creamy base. In a medium saucepan, combine the 3/4 cup of sugar, 1 cup of whole milk, and the pinch of salt. Heat this mixture over medium-low heat, stirring constantly until the sugar fully dissolves. Do not boil. Remove from the heat, then stir in the 1 cup of peanut butter and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until everything is smooth and well combined. Now for the chilling and churning. It's crucial to chill your ice cream base completely in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or even overnight. This ensures a smooth, consistent texture. Once thoroughly chilled, pour the mixture into your ice cream maker's frozen bowl. Churn according to your machine's instructions, typically for about 20 to 30 minutes, until it reaches a soft serve consistency. Finally, it's time to freeze and enjoy your homemade treat. Transfer the freshly churned ice cream into an airtight container. Place it in the freezer for at least 2 to 3 hours to allow it to firm up to a scoopable consistency. When ready, serve this delightful peanut butter ice cream plain, or add your favorite toppings like chocolate syrup or chopped nuts. This recipe makes about 1 quart.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.